This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on an Indian pursuit. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production bikes. Starting at the front of the bike, the headlamp housing can be removed with a non-marring trim tool to find the headlight adjustment screws. Also at the front of the bike, you'll find the radiator, battery cover, battery behind the cover, and the oil filter located behind the battery. On both lower fairings, you'll find the air vent, fog light, and lower speaker. On the left side of the bike, you will find the spark plugs, shift lever, left floorboard, side stand, oil fill and dipstick, passenger floorboard, and the heated seat controls. Remove the left side trim panel to access the fuse panel and diagnostic connector. Move to the left upper fairing to find the upper speaker, fog light button, storage compartment, auxiliary light button, and the wind deflector. The left handlebar contains the mirror, clutch lever, toggle switch, horn switch, high beam, low beam, and flash to pass switch, turn signal and hazard warning switch, audio control switch, and screen selector switch. Between the handlebars are the air duct doors, windscreen, speedometer with fuel gauge, tachometer, ride command display, fuel cap, and the handlebar lock underneath the ride command screen. The right handlebar contains the mirror, front brake master cylinder, front brake lever adjustment, toggle switch, power switch, engine run stop start switch, cruise control switch, windscreen control switch, and throttle twist grip. The right side of the upper fairing has an upper speaker, battery charge port, storage compartment with USB terminal, saddlebag and fuel cap lock switch that, when pressed, will illuminate the side stand light once the bike is locked and 3 times when unlocked, and the wind deflector. On the right side of the bike, you'll find the rear brake pedal, rear brake master cylinder, right floorboard, passenger floorboard, coolant recovery bottle behind the saddlebag, and drive belt. Behind the seat are the saddlebags, luggage rack, trunk assembly with power socket inside, rear speakers, and the antenna. The saddlebags and trunk assembly can be locked and unlocked with a key inside the key fob if the battery is dead. The VIN label is located on the chassis frame behind the headlight. The VIN also is stamped on the right front chassis frame behind the headlight. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.